Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. We are out in the garden to do a quick update on watermelon for WatermelonWarz 2025, and I thought I would bring you along. Let's get started. So family, you're looking at the first watermelon patch, and when we planted these, we only put 3 in this container. And honestly, I can't tell you right now which vine is which, but we planted sangria, sweet orange, and I believe jambalaya or jamboree, whichever one that is, watermelons. And the vines are growing, and this is for Broke Farmer. If you look real close here, we have a watermelon. Now, again, I don't know which variety it is and won't know until we cut it. But this particular patch has produced a small watermelon, nothing much to talk about yet, but we are growing watermelon. Hopefully, we will have some more in the other patch. Let's go take a look. So this is the other watermelon patch that I was telling you about. And whereas the other bag has 3 watermelon plants in it, this has 9 watermelon plants. And the same varieties, the sweet orange, the sangria, and the jambalaya, or I forget the exact name of it. I'll have to look back at the previous video. But as I said, we have a bunch of plants growing, and my wife and I were walking around looking this morning, and we actually have multiple little watermelons growing on the vines. And again, I cannot tell you which one's which, but I do know that we have watermelons, and the vines are doing well. They are on the same feeding schedule as the other containers, same feeding schedule rather as the tomatoes and the peppers, and that's every 10 days they get a mixture of a granular fertilizer, bone meal, and blood meal, and then they also get the watering with a liquid fertilizer, AgroThrive, and they are doing well. So hopefully the next update you see from me will be me harvesting a watermelon and weighing it on my scale. So I hope you enjoyed the update. Give me a shout out, leave me a comment, and I'll be sure to reply. Until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without him we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.